I tell y'all, the hair is given, I mean, just look at it. It is given. You can't tell me this is not my hair. If you're ready to see how I styled this VPart unit, stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adama and I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with a new video. Today I am reviewing this lovely hair, this VPart unit from Wiggins Hair. And I mean, I'm just in love with it. I mean, this is my hair, y'all. Like, who gonna tell me this not my hair? Nobody. So it is 24 inches and I put some curls in it, and so I'm going to show you the process of how I got this look. I didn't record all of the me curling it, but I did get footage of me straightening the hair. So without further ado and no more rambling, let's get into the video. So I'm starting off this look on freshly clean washed hair. So I did blow dry my hair off camera, and it's very much just like the Kinky strength unit. So this is a VPart unit, and these are the clips on the inside. It is 5 clips at the top, 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. You do have 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the back. Here is a close-up of the hair. It really is a pretty kinky straight texture, very much like my hair, so I'm excited. So now I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut the band off. This is what makes it a VPart unit. Y'all, this hair is so soft. There's no shedding. And the texture is kinky straight. And it looks just like my hair. The only thing I'm worried about is the color, if it's going to blend with my hair, but we'll see because it's going to be minimal leave out. So right now I'm just going to put this on because I want to see like how much hair I need to leave out, just to kind of get an idea. Ooh, child, this is a lot of hair, but right now I'm just checking to see, trying to get a measurement of how much hair I need to leave out. Y'all see this disrespectful gray hair? So after getting the idea of how much hair I needed to leave out at the top, I am just taking my straight comb and measuring out how much a leave out I want to have for this unit. So with this look, I definitely want minimal hair left out. So this is the braid pattern. Y'all, my cornrows are not the best. I do not know how to cornrow that good, but this is the braid pattern. 2 cornrows on the side, ponytail in the back. We're just gonna go ahead and bun that, and I'm gonna braid that in the back and just kind of secure that and tie it off with a rubber band at the end. But yeah, this is the braid pattern, very simple, nothing complicated. Like I said, I'm not the best braider, so my braids are kind of loose in the front, which is fine. I just need basically like an anchor. So I'm gonna tie this off with a rubber band. I didn't braid all the way to the end because I don't like rubber bands on the ends of my hair. So I'm just gonna take some bobby pins and start to pin this down. After putting on this unit, I actually realized that I should have pinned it lower, and I actually kind of changed how I pinned it down. But you just want to make it as flat as possible, whatever you decide to do. I just didn't like it as bulky. So now I'm just tucking away my anchor braids. And now we're going to get into the part that everybody's been waiting on. We're going to put this VPart unit on and start to secure it. I'm going to start with securing it in the middle and then just kind of placing each clip inside of the 2 anchor braids.
Gonna take this side of my leave out. Let's see how well it's blending. Y'all, this looks so good, and I haven't even taken out my leave out at the top. I did take down the sides, and look how well that blends with my hair. You can't tell me this is not on my hair. I've never had hair this long. This is 24 inches. It is true to length.
So now I'm going in with some argan oil. You can choose whatever oil of your choice. And I'm just going to begin to apply this to each section just so that my hair won't be dry. Just give it a little bit of shine. I'm going to section off my leave out and just kind of tuck that behind my ear because we don't need to straighten that just yet. And then you're going to take a heat protectant. This one is by Tresemme. And we're going to begin to flat iron. I am going to chase the flat iron with the small tooth comb just to get a better straighten. This hair was so long I had to stand up just so you guys could see.
Y'all, look at how straight that got.
So I'm just going to continue to straighten in small sections. This is a lot of hair, so do prepare yourself to kind of be straightening for a little while. I am straightening this hair on 450 degrees. You can choose to straighten on whatever temperature you like, but I wanted to get it as straight as possible. Y'all, my arms were starting to hurt like already. This is a lot of hair. A lot. But it's so pretty. So as you can see, it is getting pretty straight. Very pretty.
This is how well this blends with my hair. I haven't even straightened my leave out, but just look how well that blends. Okay, so this side is flat ironed. Y'all, this looks so natural. Like, it looks so natural. So this side is flat ironed and this side needs to be flat ironed. I'm gonna go back over it. I was just trying to get the bulk of it, you know, pretty sleek. So we'll see how sleek I can get it, but it looks so good. All right, so I'm gonna flat iron this side off camera, and then we're going to maybe style it, maybe curl it. I don't know, we'll see.
Y'all, so I had to change the position of my camera because it was very hard to flat iron this hair sitting down because it's so long. I noticed on this left section of my hair, I definitely was doing bigger sections because, sis, like, this is a lot of hair and I can't be doing all these small sections, but I just kind of went over a few times. Right now, I'm about to start flat ironing my leave out. I did at this point unplug my flat iron because I didn't want my flat iron to be super hot. I don't like to put like excessive heat on my leave out. And ladies, if you're looking for a good heat protectant, I currently use and have been using for years the Mazzani Thermostrength heat protectant. I love that stuff. It does wonders. It protects my hair. You can use that along with the Tresemme heat tamer spray that I used earlier on the unit.
This hair looks like my hair.
At this point, y'all, I was completely shook by how well this unit was blending with my natural hair. Like, it really is blending really well. Like, you can't even tell.
Make sure you cover your tracks. Tracks can be showing. Like, look at this. This is my hair. You can't even really tell where my hair starts and begins. I mean, starts and ends. You can't even tell. Look at that behind the ear.
Y'all, can't nobody tell me this is not my hair. Like, I know I keep saying that, but it's the truth. Like, look how natural this looks, how well it blends.
Look at that, y'all.
Wiggins Hair, y'all did that. Like, look at that. Natural. Just natural. So this is the final look. I did go ahead and put some curls in this hair. They were tighter earlier, but I just kind of brushed them out, and so it's just like a loose body curl. This hair is super thick. It is 180% density. It's 24 inches. This is where it stops on me. It's super soft, no shedding. I mean, maybe like 1 or 2 strands, but no shedding so far. And I just love this hair. I am going to go in and dye this hair at some point, just to dye it closer to my hair color, which is darker than this. I believe this is like a natural 1B color, and my hair is a little bit closer to black. So I am going to go ahead and just dye this hair at some point, but for the most part, I mean, it blends seamlessly. I love the luster on this hair. It's exactly what they say. It's kinky straight, but the luster is really nice. If y'all are interested in more videos like this, leave some comments in the comment section down below and let me know what kind of hair videos you guys want to see. I personally like this U-part or V-part unit. So if you want to see more V-part units or U-part units, leave a comment in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see if I can get more content like this for you guys. I think this look would be so cute in wand curls, so I definitely want to try that, and just styling it differently or just leaving it in its blown out state. But yeah, this is the look,
So that is the end of this video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified of my next video.